Now, how to download Kodi onto your Nvidia Shield. So the first thing you do is switch on the Nvidia Shield by pressing the power button there on that. So if I do that, give it a few seconds, you can see it there turn green and it should power on automatically. If it doesn't, you can simply, again, I'm using my Samsung now as a selection. If I press that, you will see over there that is the Nvidia Shield selected, and then it should jump in there. And then from there, what you need to do is you will need to, let me just increase the contrast there. You will need to go in and register with a Gmail account. And then once you are registered, do a search for Kodi and then press. Now this is with the Nvidia Shield remote. No, I think you can use the other remote as well, but for certain things you can only use the Nvidia Shield. And then simply press install and then give it a few seconds there. Now you will need an internet connection, so you'll need to have your Wi-Fi connected to the TV in order to download. And once it's downloaded, then it just takes a few minutes. There we go. We press open and press continue. And while using this app, it looks very much now like downloading onto any Android device. Just give it allow it for that. Give it a few minutes again to install. And there we are, there's the splash screen. And there is the screen, the default screen for Kodi. So you've successfully installed it.